हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग बीए सेकंड सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में एमसीक्यू पढ़ेंगे, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे। क्योंकि कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी में जो सम सेमेस्टर हैं, सेकंड, फोर्थ और सिक्स सेमेस्टर, उसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं। फॉर्म्स ऑफ पोइट्री। हाउ मैनी लाइन्स डज अ सनेट कंसिस्ट ऑफ? 14। What is the division of Italian sonnets? आंसर है सेस्टेड एंड ऑक्टेव। थर्ड है, हु रोट सनेट इन इंग्लिश पोइट्री फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? वायट। टू whom डिड शेक्सपियर डेडिकेट हिज सनेट्स? WH। What is the chief subject of English elegies? Lamentation, sorrow and death, celebrate death, all of them आएगा। Who wrote the most perfect epic for the first time? Homer। इलियाड मानी जाती है। Who is considered the master of heroic couplet? Pope। कपलेट्स यानी पोप। कौन मास्टर माना जाता है हीरोइक कपलेट्स का? पोप। What is the ninth line in a Spenserian stanzas called Alexandrine? Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. अब पढ़ेंगे स्टैंजा फॉर्म्स। It is a pair of two rhyming lines of iambic pentameter, heroic couplet. Who perfected heroic couplet after John Dryden? Alexander Pope। तीसरा है, the heroic couplet in a pair of two lines of iambic pentameter. Blank verse is a form of set of lines which do not rhyme with one another. Blank verse was first of all used in English literature by Northern and Sackville. John Milton used blank verse in his great epic Paradise Lost. The stanza form consists of 8 iambic pentameters and an Alexandrine Spenserian stanza. Rhyming scheme of Spenserian stanza is AB AB BC BC C. He invented the Spenserian stanza, Edmund Spenser. This stanza form is composed of iambic tercets, terza rima. Rhyming scheme of terza rima is ABA, BCB, CDC, ETC इत्यादि। यानी इसकी क्या राइम है? ABA, BCB, CDC। हाउ मैनी सिलेबल काउंट इन ईच लाइन ऑफ terza rima? 11। अब विलियम शेक्सपियर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। In which year was Shakespeare probably born? 1564 ईस्वी। Who was the wife of Shakespeare? Anne। How many sonnets has Shakespeare composed? 154। What is sequence number of true love? 116। How many quatrains are there in True Love? 3। A Shakespearean sonnet has couplet. क्या है? 1 couplet. To which age does Shakespeare belongs? Elizabethan. Shakespeare compares true love to pole star. अब मिल्टन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Milton's Paradise Lost is an epic. Who does Milton invoke in the opening lines of Paradise Lost? Heavenly Muse यानी स्वर्ग की देवी, स्वर्ग में देवी। Milton's Paradise Lost was published in 1667 1667 में। How many books are there in Paradise Lost? 12। मिल्टन रोड पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इन ग्रैंड स्टाइल, भव्य शैली में। द थीम ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इज फॉल ऑफ मैन, क्रिश्चियनिटी पर आधारित है। हु रिप्रेजेंट्स इविल इन पैराडाइज लॉस्ट, शैतान या सैटन। पैराडाइज लॉस्ट वाज रिटन बाय मिल्टन। मिल्टन इज नोन फॉर हिज यूज ऑफ हाइपरबोल, अतिशयोक्ति। हु इज द नेक्स्ट टू सैटन इन पावर इन पैराडाइज लॉस्ट, Beelzebub. Milton died on 8 December 1674 AD. Paradise Lost was published in 1658 AD to 1665 AD. Milton was the child of the both are true, Renaissance or Reformation. John Milton was born in London in Breed Street, Cheapside on the 9th December 1608. Milton is undoubtedly the first architect of style and diction in English language. Who said these words about Milton? Mac Watson. Write down the name of Milton's novel poetic drama based on a Greek model, Samson Agonistes. Milton is classical both in method as well as style. Who made this comment on the style of Milton? Zillet. Who said these words about Milton? Milton was essentially an artist and a reformer, yet unconsciously there springs up a good of philosophy out of his art. Leslie Jones. Of all English poets that ever lived, Milton's had certainly the finest ear. Who said these words about Milton? Cowper. In how many books was Paradise Lost originally divided? 10. इसका आंसर क्या है? 10 इसका। Who is the author of the History of Britain? Milton. कौन है हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रिटेन का लेखक? कौन है? मिल्टन. Milton is known for his use of epic simile. 23 है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ वर्क इज नॉट रिटन बाय मिल्टन, यही इसमें से कौन सा वो है जो मिल्टन ने लिखा? एनियड. राइट द नेम ऑफ मिल्टन्स वर्क विच ही रोड ऑन द डेथ ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड एडवर्ड किंग लेसिडस. अब जॉन डन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. व्हाट इज द चीफ क्वालिटी ऑफ द पोएम्स ऑफ डन? लव. क्या है चीफ क्वालिटी? लव. To which school of poetry did John Donne belong? Metaphysical. What is the name given to Donne's simile? Conceit. What is the chief quality of absence of lovers? Strong love. Which simile has been used for secrecy of love? Rich man. Where should love be kept concealed? In mind. What is the basic quality of true love? Beyond place and time. 8वां है what kind of poem is present in absent? ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग है. अब पढ़ेंगे 9th है how many stanzas are there in the poem? 4. अब अलेक्जेंडर पोप के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. पहला है who called the 18th century the age of prose and reason? Arnold. The poetry of Pope is confined within the Society of London. When was Pope born? 1688 में. 1688. Who declared Pope as classic of our prose? Arnold. 5वां 5th है which age does Alexander Pope belongs to? New classical age. अब थॉमस ग्रे के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. थॉमस ग्रे. How is the latter half of the 18th century known? Transitional. फर्स्ट का. सेकंड दूसरा when did Gray write the elegy? 1751. Who was Hamden? A patriot. Which friend of Grey is generally associated with elegy? Richard West. Fourth का Richard West. What is an elegy? Song of lamentation. दुख का गीत है. Whose fate does Grey lament in the elegy? Villagers. Gray's elegy is a poem of lamentation. What trees are there in the churchyard? Both A and B. Elm or Yew. What does the dying villagers desire? All of these. यानी friends, relatives, loving ones, all of these. What was the time when elegy was composed? Evening. विलियम ब्लैक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. टू विच एज डज ब्लैक बिलोंग? ट्रांजिशनल. What collection of poems sings of joy of childhood? Songs of Innocence. In which year was Black born? 1757 AD. Who recognized his poetic greatness for the first time? Pre-Raphaelites. Black was the last great poet of century 18th century. Sixth, which poetic method did Black adopt? Elizabethan. Answer Elizabethan. What is the central theme of London? Seventh का है corruption. Who is the responsible for widespread corruption? Eighth का है law. Ninth है who cry all the midnight in the streets? Harlots. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ. Who wrote lyrical ballads? Wordsworth. पहले का Wordsworth. Second, which term is generally used for Wordsworth? Romantic and priest of nature. Who was the nearest friend of Wordsworth? Coleridge. Who is the pagan worshipper of nature? कौन है? Worshipper of nature. The world is too much with us is a sonnet. When did Wordsworth become the poet laureate? 1843. Who collaborated with Wordsworth in lyrical ballads? Coleridge. When was the world is too much with us composed? 1806 में. 1806 में. What is the name of the sun god? Proteus. और जॉन किट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. All romantic poets had love for nature and Keats was as great a poet of nature as C. Both are true. Wordsworth or Shelley. John Keats was a great romantic poet. In 1890, where was Keats residing? At Hampstead. John Keats was born 1795. Who was the last and the youngest of the younger romantic poets? John Keats. At which place John Keats was born? Moorfields, London. Shelley and Keats belong to the younger generation of romantics. What is the form of bright star? Sonnet. Which theory did Keats evolve? Negative capability. From whom do you get the phrase negative capability? Keats. आज की वीडियो में हमने पार्ट 1 में MCQ पढ़े. वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. पार्ट 2 में हम इससे आगे के MCQ पढ़ेंगे. धन्यवाद.